Have you ever thought about going upside down? I'm Krista Oakes. I am a yoga teacher, a meditation instructor, an author, and a speaker. And every Monday, I like to share with you a Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. And I want to encourage you today to go upside down. Think to yourself for a moment, when was the last time you went upside down? One of the most gentle ways to go upside down is to come and have a seat in a chair and simply hinge at the hips and fold and take the very tippy top of your head and bring it all the way down. You might even widen the legs and get even lower to the floor. This alone is a very powerful inversion. You could do a standing fold, hinging at the hips and bringing the hands down. And again, you really want to let the head go so the very top of the head, like a magnet, is being pulled down to the floor. That is a wonderful way to do an inversion. But you can also do an inversion by coming all the way down onto the floor, or even lying in bed by putting your feet up and even your hands up. This gives you the benefits of an inversion by lifting everything up to the sky. The advantage of an inversion is that it literally turns everything on its head. The blood flows differently, your cells move differently, the organs move differently in your body, your systems in the body, the lymph in your body, so many different things. Not to mention that it's really good for your mind to just kind of mix things up a little bit. So however you do it, I encourage you every once in a while, if you can every day, maybe once a week, to intentionally take yourself upside down. I hope you have a beautiful day. Namaste.